Are you looking for to delete YouTube channel? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily delete your YouTube channel. The very first thing you want to do is head over to YouTube application. Make sure you are logged into a specific account or the channel. Once you're in this page, move into You at the bottom right. Click on Accounts at the very top left corner. Now click on Manage your Google account. In this page, you need to head over to Data and Privacy. Once the page loads, scroll all the way down and move into Google Dashboard. Now in this page, click on Delete a Service. Simply enter the password of your Google account. Once entered, click on Next. You can see all the services that you have been using. In order for you to delete your YouTube channel, click on this trash icon right beside YouTube. Once done, now you need to click on I want to permanently delete my content. Click on both of these checkbox and then tap on Delete my account. After that, your YouTube channel will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can delete your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.